Hey everyone, this is Steve Polito, your instructor at Everglades. In any case, I just wanted to put together a short video for those of you who wanted to use Firefox as their browser. So if you want to use Internet Explorer, everything is fully compatible there. You just have to adjust some settings, which is on the previous announcement I just posted. Now, if you want to use Firefox, everything will work fine except for Class Live. For Class Live, there's a slight workaround you have to do, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Alright, so if you log into the class, you'll see everything come up as we have here. Right, you should see the course home if you log on. Now, what we're going to want to do is, suppose you want to go to a class live session, like we'll be having weekly. To see when the class lives are posted, all you have to do is say, come down to where it says week 1, and if you go to click on office hours, it'll say, for instance, it'll tell you that the class live sessions are, for instance, from 7 to 8. Okay? So, but let's take a look at how do we actually get to the class live. So for the class live, you're going to click on the live button at the top of the screen here. See this link? I'm going to click on that, and it brings me to the current screen. Now I have an option between chat and class live. I'm going to click on chat class live. And now you're going to click on join session. Since there's not a session to join, I'm going to click on lead session since I'm the professor. But all you would do differently is click on join session. I'm going to click on lead. So I'm going to click lead session. And it says, do you want to save the file? Yes. I'm going to click yes. I'm going to click OK. So it's selected to save file and click OK. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on desktop so I can have a place to access the file. And I'm going to put in parentheses around everything. And instead of ED, I'm going to put JNLP. Alright? Now, what I did is I just put the file in parentheses. You can call it whatever. You can keep the name the same, that's fine. But change the ED before it was ED. Erase this ED and type JNLP and click save. It's going to save to my desktop. Okay. Now what I want is I can just go to close this out, or you can double click on it right here if you want. It'll open fine. But I'm going to go to my desktop since that's where I saved it, and I'm going to double click it. As long as the file extension is JNLP, it'll open fine, as long as your job is up to date and everything. And if you need help updating your Java, of course, you can go to tech support for that. So it looks like it's loading okay. And you'll just click run. Okay, we're almost done. It's just sometimes it takes a couple minutes to load. It's making network connections and so forth. So we're almost there. Okay, so we've got this going okay, and this is what it'll look like. And once you're on here, you can type. I'll have the speaker on usually so it picks up my voice, and we can have a regular class session. So again, you only have to do this with Firefox. If you're using Internet Explorer, it should work fine. Just make sure to look at the previous announcement that shows you how to make sure the settings are correct for Internet Explorer. And if you want to use Chrome, you'd have to do the same thing with Chrome that you're doing with Firefox, though there may be some other problems as far as